everyone. Welcome to our GoTest Pro podcast. I'm Archana. I work in marketing at Royal Cyber. Joining us today is Harish Kanta. Harish, why don't you go ahead and introduce yourself? I'm sure the audiences would love to know more about you.
Yes. Hello everyone, I am Harish, a QA automation test engineer at Royal Cyber, specializing in GoTest Pro. I am passionate about innovative testing solutions for seamless software quality. And today I am excited to share GoTest Pro's journey and insights with you all.
Okay, perfect. So let's start with the very first question, which
Yeah.
is what exactly is GoTest Pro? And I have been really eager to understand how it transforms testing processes across various domains and industries.
Yeah. So Archana, GoTestPro is a next generation automation testing platform, which is designed to empower users with zero coding knowledge to conduct continuous testing across various applications and technologies effortlessly. It's a user-friendly tool that simplifies test case creation, configuration, execution, and ultimately reducing testing timelines, and also thereby enhancing the efficiency of entire automation testing workflows.
Okay, perfect. Thank you for answering that. I would also like to know what inspired the development of GoTest Pro and what sets it apart from other or test automation solutions in the market.
So you see, GoTestPro was inspired by the need to empower testers who have no coding knowledge and at the same time to provide them with an efficient test automation solution tailored for web applications. We basically aim to democratize test automation by introducing codeless testing and user-friendly features, making it accessible to a wider range of professionals. So this approach sets GoTestPro apart from other solutions that are in market today, also focusing on inclusivity, ease of use, and thereby improving overall efficiency in software testing process. So that's the goal.
Okay, so you're saying that even a noob like me who has no experience in coding can still use GoTest Pro, right?
Absolutely. I say that you should
Perfect.
give a try. A person with zero coding knowledge, no prior experience in coding, who does not have any skill set of coding, can directly kickstart his automation test journey with GoTest Pro.
Okay, I think it's definitely right up my alley. But I also would like to know how does GoTest Pro streamline the testing process for web applications, particularly for platforms like ServiceNow?
Okay, so GoTest Pro enhances the testing process for platforms like ServiceNow by addressing the key challenges encountered in platforms such as ServiceNow. Let me highlight a few of the challenges that we face. As a tester, I face in my day-to-day life in testing platforms like ServiceNow. So firstly, I would like to say that intricate flows. There are many intricate flows within ServiceNow, and there is very extensive kind of customization that is needed with the applications that are built upon platforms like ServiceNow. And also, there is diverse integration requirement. Additionally, there is also difficulty in setting up environments, and definitely there are always frequent version changes and UI enhancements that come up with each and every releases. So these are few of the challenges that I have highlighted here that we face with applications that are built upon ServiceNow. And how GoTest Pro addresses it? So GoTest Pro environment setup is very much simplified, which allows seamless transition from development to testing phases without any sorts of delays. Okay, so it's also customizable test suites, adapt to diverse workflows, ensure flexibility at the same time, and accuracy in test automation. So this is the main important thing. We adapt to the diverse workflows. Also at the same time, we ensure that there is very much accuracy in the entire automation process. Moreover, I will say that GoTest Pro's auto healing feature, there is a feature that helps us, effortlessly handle version changes, automatically adjusting to the application elements for robust and reliable automation test across, different releases. So you need not worry even if there is a release and there is any, UI enhancements that come with these, different releases. In summary, what I can say is GoTest Pro empowers testers with efficient environment setup and adaptable test suites. And as I mentioned, auto healing for version changes. And one more thing, pre-built test cases. Yeah, leading to unparalleled efficiency and accuracy in testing ServiceNow and any other similar platforms.
Okay, perfect. That was a very insightful answer. You talked about different releases, right? It just quickly reminded me of a recent blog that we have published, which was on ServiceNow Washington release. So I
Yep.
also think that recently we have conducted a webinar focusing on the integration of out of the box OOTB test cases for various modules of ServiceNow, because you were just saying, right, that with recent releases it is very adaptable, GoTest Pro. So now let's dive into the topic of OOTB test cases.
Hmm.
What inspired Royal Cyber to specifically incorporate ready to use test cases for ServiceNow into GoTest Pro?
Yep. So, see, we recognize the growing demand for efficient testing solution for ServiceNow application. Okay, we felt there is a very much need for this. Someone was needed to address this problem. So we came up with integrating out of the box test cases for ServiceNow into GoTest. So here we aim to cater to the specific needs of users in this domain and also provide them with a ready-to-use solution for their testing requirements. So this was our main aim. So with the out-of-the-box test cases, the end user can directly kickstart his journey of automation. That is our aim. So that is why we came up with this idea of integration of out-of-the-box test cases within ServiceNow, particularly for ServiceNow environment as of now.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. So could you also please share some of the key features of GoTest Pro that users can take advantage of when automating test specifically for ServiceNow?
Okay, so there are so many features that I can, keep talking about all day. But let me say that users can leverage GoTest Pro's features such as reusable test scripts and cross-browser testing, parameterizations, and also integration with CI/CD pipelines to automate their tests for ServiceNow applications. And I would also say that additionally, GoTest Pro offers advanced reporting and analytics capabilities which helps the user to identify and address issues more effectively and efficiently.
Okay, perfect. But how does GoTest Pro adapt to changes and updates in the ServiceNow platform to ensure
Hmm.
continuous testing effectiveness, right? Because
Hmm.
if I say in a nutshell, we are living in a world of technology, so there are updates happening every single day, and because
True.
GoTest Pro can also be integrated with a platform like ServiceNow, which has continuous updates as per the need of the users, right?
Hmm. True. Yeah. So see, GoTest Pro is designed to be highly adaptable to the changes and updates in ServiceNow platform. Uh, we by doing this, what we want to do is we want to ensure continuous testing effectiveness. Okay, so there is one of the key feature that enables this adaptive, that helps in addressing this issue of changes in or enhancements in UI, and that feature is auto healing feature of GoTest Pro. So this unique capability allows GoTest Pro to automatically adjust to the changes in ServiceNow elements and interfaces. This ensures that automated tests remain robust and reliable even with the platform updates. And additionally, we regularly update GoTest Pro to support new features and enhancements that are introduced by ServiceNow, and ensuring that users can seamlessly automate their testing process without any kind of disruption. And this combination of auto healing and regular updates makes GoTest Pro a very flexible tool and effective at the same time for continuous testing of the ServiceNow platform.
Yeah, I think it surely does make it quite flexible to use for any kind of user, for that matter. But given the
Hmm.
complexity of multiple modules in ServiceNow, right,
Yeah.
tracking automation testing can be very challenging, at least in my opinion. So, how does GoTest Pro help users overcome this challenge and if we efficiently track automation testing across various ServiceNow modules?
Yeah, absolutely. So tackling the complexity of ServiceNow modules can be, indeed, it can pose a significant challenge. However, with GoTest Pro dashboard and reporting feature, we have streamlined this process. So this feature basically offers a comprehensive overview of project statistics, including script execution, failures of these test executions, and which scenarios are available for the execution, and also what all jobs are scheduled to be executed. And moreover, with inclusion of screenshots, videos, and automated email. post-test execution will, these all things will ensure that there is a seamless reporting and management of the testing process. So the end user need not, bother about any of the, challenge that he faces during, while tracking his automation testing process.
Okay, perfect. Now, could you please also walk us through the benefits that organizations can expect from using GoTest Pro for their ServiceNow testing needs?
Yeah. So see, organization using GoTest Pro for ServiceNow testing can expect benefits such as improved testing efficiency, reduced time to market for application release, and increased test coverage. Overall, enhanced software quality. By automating testing process, GoTest Pro, enables teams to focus on higher value tasks and deliver more reliable, applications.
Okay, that's great. I also know that before launching GoTest Pro, we did a market test. Okay, so what
Yeah.
feedback have you received from users or organizations who have implemented GoTest Pro for testing ServiceNow applications?
So feedback from users and organizations who have implemented GoTestPro for testing ServiceNow application has been overwhelmingly positive. What I can say is, and they have appreciated the platform's intuitive, interface, robust functionality, reliability, which have greatly simplified their testing workflows. Users highlight the ease of use of GoTestPro, noting its ability to automate complex test cases without requiring extensive coding knowledge. And organizations have also reported significant time savings and improvement in application quality. They say thanks to GoTest Pro's efficient testing capabilities. Overall, the feedback underscores GoTest Pro's effectiveness in streamlining testing process and enhancing software quality for ServiceNow applications.
Okay, perfect. I think users' feedback or organizations' feedback plays a very vital role when we are launching a product, right? So, getting a positive feedback on GoTest Pro has been highly motivating for us also. But in what ways does GoTest Pro contribute in enhancing overall software quality and reducing the time to market for ServiceNow applications?
Okay, so through its automation capabilities and comprehensive test coverage, GoTestPro significantly contributes to the enhancing overall software quality and thereby reducing time to market for ServiceNow application. By automating testing process, GoTestPro helps identify defects early in the development cycle. This ensures that issues are addressed promptly, leading to the higher software quality. Additionally, GoTestPro's out-of-the-box test cases provide pre-configured scenarios for rapid testing, further enhancing the test coverage and accuracy. Okay, this proactive approach to testing not only improves software quality but also reduces time to market for ServiceNow application. By enabling faster and more reliable release cycles, GoTestPro ensures that applications are deployed efficiently, meeting customer expectations and business deadlines. Overall, GoTestPro's automation, comprehensive test coverage and efficient defect identification process contribute significantly to enhancing software quality and accelerating time to market for ServiceNow applications.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
great. That was a very insightful answer. And I think all companies overall are trying to accelerate time to market, right? By using ServiceNow applications. And if integrating GoTest Pro can, pace up that process for them, it would be like a dream come true, right? I
Yeah.
also wanted to ask you, how does Royal Cyber support its clients in adopting and maximizing the potential of GTP for their testing requirements? Because I know you said that anybody, even a noob like me, can use this, but how do we use it to maximize the potential of it?
Okay. See, we offer comprehensive support and training services to help clients adopt and maximize the potential of GoTest Pro for their testing requirements. First thing. Secondly, this includes onboarding assistance, technical support, and customized training programs which are tailored to the specific needs of each and every client. So this is how we help our client in order to make their testing process more smooth and effective.
So basically, this will get tailored as per the organizations or customers' needs, right? But I also wanted to ask you, are there any future plans or developments in the pipeline for GoTest Pro, particularly concerning ServiceNow testing capabilities?
Yep. So at GoTest Pro, our commitment lies in continuous innovation and improvement, specifically bolstering our ServiceNow testing capabilities. So our future plans entail ongoing developments which are geared towards fortifying our ServiceNow testing feature and functionalities. And a key focus for us is providing uninterrupted support for new ServiceNow features and technologies by staying abreast of the platform's latest releases and integrating compatibility and testing functionalities seamlessly. This approach keeps GoTest Pro ahead in ServiceNow testing, enabling users to harness ServiceNow full potential. Also, upholding high quality standards through efficient testing process.
Mhm. Perfect. So when can we expect GoTest Pro to onboard
Mhm.
out of the box test cases for the remaining modules of ServiceNow? Because I know we just talked about out of the box test cases, but I want to know if there are any future plans.
Okay, so Archana, we are currently working on onboarding out-of-the-box test cases for all remaining modules of ServiceNow within GoTest Pro. Our target is to complete this integration within the next 2 to 3 months, ensuring comprehensive test coverage across entire ServiceNow platform for efficient and thorough testing.
Okay, perfect. I think I've asked you all the questions, but here comes the fun round wherein I'll ask you a couple of questions. I won't take much of your time because I
Mhm.
know how
Please go ahead.
valuable it is. But first question I wanted to ask you was that if GoTest Pro were a superhero, what would its superpower be and why?
That's a good one. So, if GoTest Pro were a superhero, its superpower would be, super speed testing. Just like the Flash, GoTest Pro would zoom through test cases and automate testing process at lightning speed, ensuring rapid and efficient software quality checks.
Okay, that's a perfect power that a superhero can have, specifically if he's working in tech. But if GoTest Pro could automate any daily task for you, what would it be and why?
Okay, so if GoTest Pro could automate any daily tasks for me, it would be organizing my work and schedule. Okay, by automating and prioritizing tasks, setting reminders, and optimizing my workflow, GoTest Pro would free me up so that I can have more time and focus on more important tasks in my day-to-day life. This is what I can answer as of.
Seems like GoTest Pro is something that all procrastinators at work need. I could definitely give it a shot so that it'll make my work life also more good. But before we wrap up, I would like to remind our viewers that if you have any further queries, please reach out to us at info@royalcyber.com for more details about GoTest Pro ServiceNow testing solutions. Stay connected with us on social media and subscribe to our newsletter for the latest product updates, releases, and valuable industry insights. Any last word, Harish, that you want to say?
Yeah. So I would like to thank viewers for their time. I hope you found this podcast session insightful. And also thank you, Archana, for organizing this podcast and giving us the opportunity to discuss GoTestPro and our experiences. Thank you again.
You're welcome, and thank you also for joining us for this particular podcast. Couldn't have done this without you. You are our GoTest Pro superhero, and I'm looking forward to more organizations and more customers joining us on this journey. Thank you so much, Harish, again, and thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone.
Okay.
Thanks. Yeah, bye.